Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung, continuing the legacy of the S series with promising advancements. As consumers eagerly anticipate its release, this review aims to delve into its various features, performance, and user experience. Design. The S24 Ultra boasts a sleek design with refined aesthetics, featuring a premium build that merges sophistication with durability. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Dynamic display. The device is dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+, 2600 nits, 6.8 inches display. Equipped with a cutting-edge display using dynamic technology, offering an immersive visual experience with vibrant colors, sharp details, and adaptive refresh rates. Camera. Samsung has integrated a revolutionary camera system into the S24 Ultra, including high-resolution lenses, improved AI capabilities, and enhanced low-light performance, promising exceptional photography and videography. 200MP, f/1.7, 24mm, wide, 1x1.3 inch, 0.6 multi-directional PDAF, laser AF, OIS. 50MP, periscope telephoto, PDAF, OIS, 5x optical zoom. 10MP, f/2.4, 70mm, telephoto, 1x3.52 inch, 1.12 dual pixel PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom. 12MP, f/2.2, 13mm, 120 degrees, ultra-wide, 1x2.55 inch, 1.4 dual pixel PDAF, super steady video. Performance. The smartphone houses a powerful Qualcomm SM8650AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor that ensures seamless multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. Coupled with optimized software, it offers an efficient and responsive user experience. Battery life. The S24 Ultra features an enhanced battery life, catering to the demands of modern users. Li-ion 5000 mAh, non-removable. 45W wired, PD 3.0, 65% in 30 minutes, advertised. 15W wireless, Qi by PMA. 4.5W reverse wireless. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands as a pinnacle of innovation, offering an unparalleled combination of advanced technology, exceptional performance, and premium design. It sets a new benchmark for flagship smartphones, catering to users seeking top-tier features and capabilities. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you've been enjoying the content so far, if you want to watch this type of video, so don't wait, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become an integral part of our YouTube family. Thanks for subscribe and welcome to the family.